They are known by their aliases Money Mug, Mice, Randy, Keanu, Baba, Trigger, Stuggy, Hunter, Barnes and Ishant.
Now, una wonder, I wonder, una just hear. Listen, Jamaican police, them crazy, you know. Una know what una just listen to. Una just listen to some wanted men names in South St. Andrew, where the police them say them need to go to Unsby police station. If you know where Unsby there, they right at the below the 3 mile roundabout. You know, say Bob Marley studio down the road there, so you understand? To the right, you have back to and all of them place there. Go back down in a sea view. You understand? And to the left, you go back to Greenwich Farm 2 mile. And there's a Unsby there. So I just saw South St. Andrew. Can start from upper Walton Park, Agley Park Road. Come down. But what really strike me about this thing is the information the police put out. I'm never talk about that a little bit. Let's go. What strike me about this damn thing, it's the information, like me say, the police them put out. Look at where the police put out. It's right there in front of you. And look at these names. I'm going to talk about that. Now, the police said they are known by their aliases. Number 1, how are you going to really, truly identify somebody by an alias? I mean, genius. Explain that. And listen to these names. You have Money Mug. You have Mice. Now, how much people can name Mice? Eh? You have Randy. You have Keanu. Baba, Trigger, Stuggy, Hunter, Barnes, and Ishant. Now, what kind of information is that? Now, why would the police even waste them time putting out information like this? It just shows to them incompetent. Or them not do them work, or them not give a F. Because, what may I say? Where them get them name here from? Money Mug, Mice, Randy, Baba, Trigger, Keanu, Barnes and Ishant. Yo, it just doesn't make sense. If I was running the police force and my division, the division put out something like this, they would have to retire if I did me around that. You understand? This does not make any sense. How can you prove that somebody is somebody, the right person, with their aliases? It doesn't make sense. Yo, them not even have a picture. Them don't know if the people them have tattoo or them look. It just look like it's a waste of time. And I think the police them are try show say listen, okay, we are doing work. But that's not good police work. I am sorry to say that. And that's the way I feel. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on the notification button. But the Jamaican police, them need to do better than that. Even though I want to do better than Belize police, cause Belize police them crazy in a blowout. But Belize police them, me no want to sound crazy. Belize police them mix up in a bigger things and them a make bigger money. You understand? And them country smaller. So they are able to do more corruption and benefit more from corruption than say Jamaican police. Jamaican police have to turn thief and robber. Them can't land no drugs plane. You understand? So that's how it go. But yeah, Back to what I was saying. The police them do a really shitty job on this. My name is Countryman. Click on the next video.